Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all fine. So, we have completed civics, that chapter, what is government, right? So, today we are going to new chapter, geography, lesson 4, maps, okay? Maps, okay? We are going to see about maps, okay? So, let's start. So, today we will cover a little portion from this lesson, okay children? So, take a rough note or rough paper and take a pen or pencil and start taking rough notes, okay? Start taking kins, okay? So, let's start. First, we are going to see about what is map. Do you know what is map? Any idea? Yes, a map is a representation of or a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. So, what is map? It is a representation or a drawing of earth's surface. Okay, it is a representation or a drawing of earth's surface. Look here, this like this, we call it as a map. Okay. So, map. So, it is a representation or drawing of earth's surface of any part, okay, full earth surface or apart from it, okay. So, like this, on a flat surface according to the scale measurement we have been drawing, okay. So, that is called as map. So, you have all have got what is map. So, repeat along with me. A map is a representation or a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. Okay children? So, understood what is map? Very good. So, next we are going to see about atlas. So, what is atlas? When many maps are put together, we get an atlas. So, what is atlas? When many maps put together, we call it as atlas. What is atlas, my dear children? When many maps put together, we call that as atlas. Atlases are of various sizes, measurements drawn on different scales. So, atlases will be of varying sizes, measurements and drawn on different scales. There are of different types of maps. Okay, we have different types of maps. Okay, so we are going to see about the types of maps. Okay, so let's see. So first we are going to see about physical maps. So what is physical maps? So maps showing natural features of the earth such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, oceans, etc. are called as physical or relief maps. So, what is physical maps? So, physical maps means that map shows about the earth's mountains. Okay, here mountains will be there, here rivers, plateaus, oceans. So, like this, covering these places, targeting those things are called as physical maps. So, what is physical maps? That map shows natural features of the earth. Okay, dear children. So, what is the other name for physical maps? Relief maps. Okay, children. So, we are going to see about next type of map, that is political maps. So, what is political maps? So, political maps that shows cities, towns and villages and different countries, states of the world with their boundaries are called as political maps. So, what is political map? That map shows cities, then villages, different countries, their state along with the boundaries is called as political maps. Okay children? So, next type of map is thematic maps. What, my dear children? Thematic maps. So, some maps that focus on specific information such as road maps, rainfall maps, maps showing distribution of forest, industries, etc. that are called as thematic maps. Okay children? So, some maps that focus on some information, okay, information like road map, rainfall maps, then distribution of forest, industries, like some information that is called as thematic maps. So, what are the types of maps we have seen till now? First one is physical map. First one is physical map. What is physical map? That map shows about natural features of the earth like mountain, plateaus, rivers, oceans. Okay. Then second we have seen about political map. So what is political map? So that shows about the cities, towns, villages, then the countries along with the borders, boundaries. So these are called as political map. Then third, what type of map? Thematic maps. So thematic maps means that focus on specific information like road maps, rainfall maps, the distribution of forests, industries, etc. Okay dear children? So there are three components of maps. So in maps we have three components like distance, direction and symbol. So what are the components of maps? Distance, direction and symbol. Say along with me my dear children. Distance, direction and symbol. So first we are going to see about direction. We are going to see about direction. Sorry my dear children, distance. Okay. So distance. So what is distance? Distance. That scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. So scale. What is scale? What is mean by scale? That is a ratio, okay, between actual distance of the ground and the distance shown on the map. Okay. So what is a scale? That is a ratio between actual distance and the distance on the map. Okay. So scale is very important on any map. So if we can take any map, what is very important? Scale is very important. If you know the scale, you will be able to calculate the distance between any two places on a map. So if you know the scale, then you can calculate the distance between any two places on the map. Okay children? So what is scale? Repeat along with me. It is a ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. Understood children? Very good. So next we are going to see about small scale map. So what is small scale map? So when large areas like continents or countries are to be shown on paper, then we use a small scale. That is called as small scale map. So when large areas like continents, countries that we need to show in a map, what we will use? We will use small scale. Okay, that is called a small scale map. Then large scale map means when small area like your village or town is used to shown on a paper, then we use a large scale, that is 5 centimeter. It is called large scale map. Okay, for large areas we use small scale map and small areas we use large scale map. Understood children? Very good. So that's all in today's video. So remaining topics we'll cover in the next video. So what are the things we have seen in today's video? So first we have seen about what is map. Then we have seen about what are the types of map. What is the first type? Physical map, political map and thematic map. 3 types of map we have seen. Then we have seen about the components, 3 components of map. Okay children, in that first one topic we have covered, remaining 2 we will see in the next video. Okay children, so thank you children, have a nice day.